Good morning, guys. Kunal Sharma, your lifestyle coach here. How are you doing today, everybody? How are you? I'm waiting. Everybody who is checking in, please close your eyes and come into the meditation. Very, very important to start your day. Okay? Everybody who is coming, please close your eyes and come into meditation. Siddharth, good morning. Please close your eyes and come into the meditation for 2 minutes. I have a clock here in front of me. So just relax yourself, focus on your deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Good morning, everybody. Anybody lucky, anybody who is checking in, please close your eyes and come into meditation for 2 minutes. Everybody. Posture should be straight, chin should be up, deep and slow breathing, and chanting for 2 minutes max. Everybody who is checking in, please close your eyes and focus on the depth of your breath. Slowly rub your palms. Put your palm cups on your eyes. Stay there. And slowly open your eyes. Fantastic, everybody. Very good. Very well done. Okay, now today is very, very important talk. Stretchings and light movements, balance movements, you know everybody now that you can do today by yourself. That is your homework. But today is very important lecture on inflammation. Anybody knows what is the meaning of inflammation and how many inflammations are there? What kinds of inflammations are there? Anybody? Interact me, guys. Very important lecture. Do not miss. So good morning everybody, good morning Shubham, good morning. Just take your notebook and pen ready. Inflammation is a topic today, and I guarantee you 90% population in this country suffering from inflammation, any kind of inflammation that we'll talk now. So there are 3 kinds of main inflammation. One is the inflammation when you get hurt, and that part of the body swollen up, okay, and that is the inflammation. That is a healing process, of natural healing process of your body, how to heal. So the blood rushes to that place, okay, and start healing that place, okay, supply nutrients to heal that place as fast as possible. That is your body's internal capacity, how fast it can heal. Okay, so that inflammation, write down if any God forbidden, if anything happens to you, some kind of fracture or some kind of light injury or anything, sprain, strain happens, that time you have to, first thing, you have to hold that joint with a tight cloth. Just wrap it up to stabilize that joint. Yeah, good, Asha bhai. Very good. But there are a lot of things we will discuss today. Please write down. The first thing is, what we are discussing is, something happens to your bone or joint or muscle or spasm or anything, that time you have to wrap that portion with a crepe bandage. It's available in the market, or with an, if it's not available that time, just a tight cloth. The first thing is that. Why? Because inflammation calms down, otherwise blood rushes immediately and it's swollen up. So we don't need that, too much swelling. So when you compress that joint or when muscle, so inflammation calms down, blood circulation calms down. Second thing, very important, you have to take ice pack or direct ice, put it on that joint or muscle tissue so that the blood flow calms down. Inflammation comes because the blood rushes to that place. Okay, that is the only reason inflammation comes. The flow of the blood is too much. When you put an ice pack, it calms you down, that portion of your body, and reduces inflammation. Third very important factor, which is, listen carefully, elevation. If something happens to your hand, God forbidden, yeah, foot, so keep your hand here for some time, so all the blood rushes towards your down extremities, towards your heart, and this portion of this portion, relaxes, inflammation reduces. Okay, these three components are very important when you get hurt. Lots of people don't know and they do anything anyway and does not work. Okay, so that time the brain does not work, frankly speaking. So that time, whatever is comfortable, whatever is in your range, you have to arrange and use those things to reduce that part of your body, inflammation, and how can improve the healing faster. So these things you can do. Now, the second type of inflammation is, listen carefully. Second type of inflammation is, anybody can say that? What kind of second type of inflammation? Just interact, guys. One is physical pain in the body. Asha bhai is written. Very good. That we have discussed. Physical pain. If anything gets hurt, any part of your body. Any kind of inflammation. Anybody knows? Fast. Interact with me quickly. What kind of inflammation I'm discussing? The next one, apart from your physical. Physical means your something happened, some joint, some muscle pain or something spasm. Apart from this, what kind of inflammation we are discussing? The next one. Any guess? Wild guess, guys, come on quickly. Wild guess. No. Okay. The next inflammation is very important to understand. Blood pressure, high sugar, thyroid, cholesterol. These are internal inflammation of your body. Remember that. These are internal inflammation of your body. Not external, not physical, is physiological. Cardio comes under this, sir. Definitely. You are absolutely right. I'm already discussing that point. If you have any heart problem, any sugar problem, thyroid problem, autoimmune problem, even autoimmune conditions, We'll discuss later autoimmune. The first thing we are discussing about blood pressure, blood sugar, heart. These are internal inflammation of your body. Remember that. If you're not feeling okay, something is wrong. Okay, even if your pulse rate is constantly high, it's not coming down, that is also a part of inflammation in your body. Body does not show, visualize, you cannot see that, but internally you are inflamed. Body has to heal. For example, if you have a high blood sugar, you have to constantly try to reduce that sugar, so the inflammation of arteries, okay, heart, kidneys, even central nervous system comes down. Remember that. Everything is clear right now till now? Blood pressure. If your blood pressure is constantly going up, it's not coming down, it's inflammation, you have to work hard, you have to consume green leafy vegetables to calm you down inside. Meditation, light stretching exercises, light workouts you have to do. So that is an inflammation, you have to calm it down. If you have even a simple bowel action problem, if you're not getting bowel action every day, listen very carefully. If you're not getting bowel action every day, body is in inflammation. Why? Because that garbage, body has to throw it out, but it's not gone out. So it will again come to the liver, for detoxification, and liver already has today's load on the body. Okay, so it's very difficult for liver to work harder every day. So if you are constipated or some kind of bowel action problem, so you have to work towards it to calm it down. Okay, I'm not a doctor, but I can show you the way. If you have a serious problem, you have to go to the doctor, you have to check it out. But if you have a simple issues, that you can just change a little bit diet and you'll be all right. Okay, so this is a second type of inflammation which is very important to understand. If you're not getting sleep in the night, okay, properly, deep sleep, and in the morning if you're not recovered and you have a dark circle under your eyes or swollen eyes, that is also an inflammation in your body. Okay, so you have to focus on how to get deep sleep, how to recover myself up faster. Okay, so this is very important to understand how we have to heal ourselves. Remember that. If you will not heal yourself faster, the problem will constantly, increasing, progressing, and that is very difficult to solve the problem. So I'm just focusing on small issues. These are all inflammation. Don't take it easy in your life. If you have a blood pressure, you can take a tablet. Diabetes, you can take a tablet. No, you have to work towards it. You have to focus on it, how to dissolve it without medication as much as possible. Okay, yes, of course, in serious cases we have to take medication, no doubt about that. A simple thing, if you're not getting sleep, you're taking sleeping tablets, that is not necessary. That means something is wrong inside the body. Is everything is clear? Everybody, just interact with me over there so that I can move ahead. Everything is clear so far about inflammation? Right, please, fast, so that we can move ahead. Very important to understand these points. Don't get scared. Okay? Even a small simple pimple Okay, Siddharth Tapsi, clear. Even a small simple pimple, if it comes on your skin or on your body, or some kind of rashes, it can be because of heat, humidity, okay, or the body is adjusting the internal temperature, okay. And Meenakshi, okay, Meenakshi, good. So body adjusting internal temperature and is throwing the heat out, okay, garbage out. Our skin, millions of pores are there. Is the best way to detoxification through our skin, through sweat, okay, through bowel action, through urination. So these are our systems for detoxification. People who are not getting sweat, okay, that is a problem. That's a separate lecture only, but right now I'm just counting these points so that you will understand that everything is important in life, everything, remember that. And it's all connected with our internal system and external system. Inflammation, the next inflammation point is very important, which is I already mentioned, autoimmune conditions, rheumatoid arthritis, Hashimoto thyroid, lupus, multiple sclerosis, and many more. Autoimmune condition problems are there, in which these are extreme inflammation, okay, that's why I did not discuss before. In these cases, your own immune system starts attacking your own body, and that is a very difficult situation. Remember that any autoimmune condition problem happens because of some shock in the body. How to improve my sleep? Janvi, I'll mention it in the end of the lecture, please. Let me finish this thing. Very good. Yeah, you told me, and I'll discuss about that. Are blisters also a part of inflammation? Yes, exactly. You're supposed to use garlic on blisters. That's the best way. If you wear shoes or otherwise you wear socks in the night, that's what they say. It's written in the books. So you use garlic in the socks and put your foot in the socks and put the garlic and sleep like that. It's difficult to sleep like that, but this is the best way to remove blisters. But blisters also comes because of your wrong shoes also. It's not necessary because of internal inflammation. So there can be, you can check, okay, are you wearing tight shoes? Blisters you can get. That is not inflammation. That's the body is showing you that this is not the right shoe. Okay, so how to improve sleep? Let me discuss that also. Then I'll come to the autoimmune condition problem. Before sleep, you have to stop all your electronic equipments. For example, your phone, your TV, okay, your iPad, anything comes on the way 40 minutes before the sleep, 30 minutes before the sleep, you have to stop everything, come into the meditation, okay. Even if you don't want to do meditation, just close your eyes and relax yourself. Just close your eyes and relax and focus on your breaths. Think about your internal system. Are you in hyper mode or are you in a relaxed mode before sleep? Try to check your blood pressure also before sleep 3 times in a week. Not every day, you don't need. Before sleep is very important. I would say it's more important than in the morning, because when you are sleeping in the night, if you are relaxed, if your blood pressure relaxed, you will get good night sleep. But if you are not relaxed, your pulse rate is high, your blood pressure is high, you will not get the sleep. There can be many reasons. Maybe because of stress. The main reason right now what we are in, stress is very common right now. The whole idea of this lecture is how to burst that stress and come out of it. Okay, how to destroy, how to conquer that stress. And the conquer the stress is, the best part is exercise. The second best part is meditation. Okay, close your eyes in a day 3-4 times, just 5 10 minutes, 7 minutes. If you can't sit longer, I do many times these kind of exercises. I just close for 5 minutes and relax myself and start my work again. So you will get good night's sleep by following these points. I hope I'm cleared. So come back to the autoimmune condition problem, which is very extreme inflammation in the body. For example, rheumatoid arthritis destroy your joints. SIBO, small intestine bacterial overgrowth, is connected with your stress level. Mostly all autoimmune condition problems is connected with your stress level. If your stress is high, or if you get a very hard shock in your life, like you, God forbidden, if you lose some loved ones, or some business loss, or some marriage issue, or some love problems, so you get shock, the body into shock, and body cannot adjust that pressure, and that time body comes into a different mode, a killing mode. Your immune system starts killing your own body cells. Okay, that time these kind of problems happens. It affects your mostly thyroid problem, and that comes with a Hashimoto thyroid. Okay, the rest of the things you can read on Google. Hashimoto thyroid, what is it? What is the meaning of that? Right now I'm only discussing, okay, thank you Janvi, I'm only discussing what is inflammation and how we can conquer it. So we discussed 3 types of inflammation mainly. The first, when we get hurt, simple, and what we have to do, you know that now. Second thing is, if you have even a small blood pressure, a pulse rate constantly high, you are not getting sleep, and some kind of issues, so disturbance in your life, inflammation. Sugar is high, inflammation. Cholesterol is coming in the high report, inflammation. Okay, if any joint is paining constantly, inflammation. Third very extreme case inflammation is autoimmune condition problem, where your own body starts attacking your own system, which you know what to do now. And the best part is, I would say, in all inflammations, try to use coconut oil. You can apply on your body, you can drink it, you can cook it. That is one of the best fat, okay, which reduces inflammation. It's a healer. Alright, it's very important. If you use constantly coconut oil, you will see your skin will be better, your energy level will be better, your brain functioning, your cognitive function will be better, okay, and your performance, your inflammation, joint inflammation will be better, because coconut oil is a great healer. It's an antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, even anti-cancerous also. Garlic, raw garlic in the morning, 1 piece, if you chew it, okay, if you chew it and drink it with the water, is one of the finest healer. Okay, it is one of the finest to control bacterial infection, viral infection, okay, fungal infections, garlic. So you can write down all these points in the morning. A small, I have mentioned already, a small tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and lime juice and sea salt is also a cold press. Yes, cold press virgin coconut oil, definitely. Yeah, Meenakshi, yeah, cold press. So parachute coconut oil is good for your body outside. You can't drink it, you can't cook it. It should be edible. Okay, it should be edible. So small glass, warm glass of water with lime juice, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, also a healer. It's giving you number of things to your body to calm down, to heal faster. Alright, any question, keep typing. Okay, for blood pressure, if your blood pressure is high, if your cholesterol is high, garlic is very good for cholesterol. Remember that. Excellent herb. Okay, green leafy vegetables are very good for blood pressure. Green leafy vegetables are very good for the blood sugar. No carbohydrates, very less carbohydrates, minimum carbohydrates, no refined carbohydrates are good for your body. Remember that. Do not just keep on eating anything you like to eat all the time, which makes you tasty the food. Do not do that. Always remember one line, write down. Always. tasty foods are not healthy foods. Okay? Healthy foods are not tasty. It's like you have to be healthy to run on the road. You don't have to run to get health or to get fitness. Remember, these points always remember. You have to be healthy, your joint should be healthy, then you should train, you should run, you should climb, you should hop, you should jump. First, we have to heal our body. Remember that. If you are not healing our body and you are training, you are putting more pressure on the body, internal pressure, and that is not good. It's gonna increase your inflammation in your body. It's not gonna help you. So that is the only reason when I train with you very light, because everybody is not same. Remember that. People don't understand that. I cannot train with you because I cannot see you. I cannot see your form. Okay, I cannot see you how you're breathing, where you're contracting the core. So I cannot train hard with you. I train very light with you so that it's just a matter of making your lifestyle healthier and discipline in the morning. Yes, 8 o'clock Kunal is coming and we will do something new. We will learn something new. Alright? That is the only reason. One-on-one training, my training program is online. Training program is on. I train my personal clients online because lockdown is there. So everybody is on. So anybody wants personal training, okay, personal advice, we are on for online training. My number is 9820048674. 9820048674. You can contact me for online training program properly so that I can see you, I can guide you. Alright, so this was a lecture for inflammation, and I hope you got the best whatever I have given you. Okay, any question, ask me. The next part, we have still 5-7 more minutes, so we will do breathing exercises very slowly. We will not waste time. Something I have to give you every day. So this was inflammation lecture, was very important. So let's start without wasting time. I am again announcing, please take your pen and notebook, and this video is recorded so you can go to the site and check it. I don't have right now time because the next client is also ready. So 9820048674. 9820048674. Okay, so let's start breathing. Alternate breathing करेंगे पहले. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Superb. Pratima, you're welcome anytime, no problem at all. Just keep doing breathing if you can. Next one is very carefully, very slowly. Single nostril, no switching over. Okay? So let's do it. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Switch very slowly. Don't press your nostril too hard. Very easy. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Close your eyes and just do normal breathing. The next one is very powerful breathing with chanting. So keep both the hands like this on your heart. I have already mentioned last time. So breathe in very slowly. So it's heal your heart, forgiveness, forget and forgive, like kind of things. So breathe in. Breathe out with chanting. The next part is under your rib cage, pancreas. Breathe in. Breathe out. The next one is on prostate, or you can say uterus or ovaries, health. So breathe in. Breathe out. The next one is under your right rib cage. There is a liver and gallbladder. So breathe in. Breathe out. Next one is your kidneys on your back side. Alright, so put your hands on your kidneys. Breathe in. And start. Breathe out. Just close your eyes and do meditation for 1 minute, 2 minutes to end the session. Alright, so breathe in deep and slow. Slowly open your eyes, very slowly. And fantastic, guys. Everybody, fantastic, looking good. Tomorrow is Friday, so we will walk out. So keep your gear ready, exercise gear ready, and notebook and pen and towel and water bottle, everything ready. I also want to mention that always keep your sea salt close to you. If you feel lightheaded in your workout or before workout, if you take a pinch of sea salt on your tongue and drink water, that will be better. Okay, that will increase your performance. Alright, sea salt, as you know, contains a lot of minerals and it gives you instant energy reaction. They are electrolytes. Okay, electricity they produce immediately. Okay, so tomorrow we'll catch you again. Have a great day. Keep smiling. Salam. Namaste. Love you all. Bye.